Hello, welcome to NBGI Class 10th English Medium Subject Geography. Topic Mineral Energy Resources. We have seen the energy resources. First is the coal. Coal is a very important resources because we have create the use and create the electricity, domestic purpose and industries also show the very important for uh, the energy resources. Firstly, coal is a four types. Coal is a four types. First is a peat coal. Peat coal is a very lowest form of the coal because the 40% of the coal heating powers very low because the moisture, heavy moisture found in the peat coal mostly we have used in the domestic purpose also and the high carbon found in the peat coal. Second is the lignite. Lignite also found low conductivities because the moisture found in this coal, and it was called also the brown coal. Also, they found in the Tamil Nadu in Neyveli mines and some other places. It was a soft coal, and we found in Jammu and Kashmir also. Next is the bituminous. Bituminous coal is the finest coal, highest temperature and 60 to 80% conductivity is found in this bituminous coal. Also, I found in the Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand and the Damodar Valley rivers, also Godavari and Mahanadi, the deltas, we have found the bituminous coal. Anthracite is the best coal. It is found in the Damodar Valley. Mostly found in the Jammu and Kashmir. He was the best, but he was a quantity are very low on the earth's surface. He found in the Jammu and Kashmir. The coal are mostly found in the Godavari Valley, Singh Bhumi in Andhra, the Mahanadi Valley, the Talcher in Odisha, Son River or Korba and Chhattisgarh, Singrauli in MP, and the Vedra Valley of Maharashtra also show the different types, the different types of coal, four types, and then the petroleum. Petroleum is the another energy resources. Says petroleum is also is a energy resources we found in the some quantity on India. Firstly, we have first wall of the coal petroleum wall found in the Assam, Guwahati, Assam, and some are places are very famous for the petroleum like Ankleshwar, Gujarat, Bombay High, and Guwahati. Also, we have found the petroleum in India and the other places of the world. And Bombay High is the 63% petroleum found in India. Total found in India, Gujarat in 80% and Assam is the 60% petroleum found in India. So we have write down this topic also. Thank you.